Hey guys, so I was live earlier and I did my eyeliner with Perma Blend Eyeliner Black. Oh, my dogs are going crazy. You want to see my crazy dogs? Let's see if I can show them. Nope, they're over there wrestling. Anyway, I've got Aquaphor all over my eyelids right now, so that's why it's shiny. But I wanted to show you what it looks like. Oh my goodness, they're not going to let me. They're not going to let me do this, are they? Let me go to the bathroom and see if the lighting's better anyway. But yeah. So my eyes are a little red. Whoa, I'm red, aren't I? Okay, all right, maybe this is better. All right, so I'm in the bathroom, and so this is what my eyeliner looks like. So that way you can see what the result was, because I wasn't able to pin the live on my TikTok page, but this is what it looks like. I did a little bit of the bottom lid as well. Excuse what I look like. I'm just really funny looking right now. So now I've done my eyebrows. I've done my eyeliner. And it looks like it's really, really thick, but by the time it heals and it dries up and the little scabbing goes away, it's not going to be as thick as what it actually looks like. So yeah, I just wanted to come and show you the end result. So yeah, I will show you in a few days what it ends up looking like. All right, so yeah, there it is. What do you think? If they're negative comments, I probably don't want to hear them. No, it doesn't matter. Even if it's a negative comment, I don't care. But so yeah, this was my second attempt at the permanent eyeliner. The first time it was too thin, and it looked thick. That's why I stopped. But then, like I said, once the healing stops and the scabbing all goes away, it was left too thin. So that's why I went a little thicker this time, so that when it's done healing and the scabbing goes away, hopefully it'll be exactly the way I want it. So I just wanted to come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, now that I'm all done. Might have been a little freaky when I was doing it earlier, but it didn't hurt because everything was numbed. Yeah, I had numbed everything. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll come back in a few days when it's all healed, and you'll see that it won't be quite as dark as what this is. All right, guys, just wanted to show you the end result. All right. So yeah, permanent eyeliner is what this is. Now I've got permanent eyebrows, permanent eyeliner, and yeah. So, I don't know, 58 years old, maybe I shouldn't be doing this kind of stuff. But because I'm 58 years old, I'm just trying to, I don't want to have to take the time to wear as much makeup. I just want to get up, wash, and go. So yeah, that's what I did earlier. I was live when I did the permanent eyeliner, and this is the result of it. All right, guys, I'm going to say goodbye. Bye. Just wanted to show you what it looked like.